Hello friends, how are you all? This is Lakshay Arora and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Docker on your CentOS or RHEL machine. So let's get started. Let me first create a CentOS or RHEL machine. CentOS Docker, I'm giving the name CentOS Docker. Region image I am selecting CentOS. You can follow this procedure on RHEL server as well. No selection, setting it to default, only clicking on advanced tags, finally review and create. I'm pausing this video till the time my machine is getting created. So my machine is created and let me connect to that machine using SSH. You can take RDP also, I'm preferring SSH. Just click on, I'm showing you, click on connect SSH, copy this command, go to your command prompt, just paste the private key path. You can check your own private key path. Enter your password. So I am into my virtual machine, CentOS virtual machine. So for installing Docker, it is very simple. Just go to the Docker website. Install Docker engine on CentOS. I will share the link in description as well. So let's start. You can follow this process in RHEL as well. First run this command, uninstall older versions. Simply copy and paste this. First select sudo. Switch to root user and then paste this command, press enter. It will basically uninstall all the older versions, older packages, files. Nothing to do, dependencies resolved. Now see, we have three installation methods using repositories. Using this manual steps, we need to download the RPM package, and this is also one of the steps. So I will be using this first step. It is simple and straightforward. Simply use this step. Set up Docker repositories. Install using the repositories. First you need to install yum utils package. So I'm running this command, copy and then simple paste sudo yum install -y yum utils. Yum util is basically a package manager in Linux, if you are aware of Linux. Sudo is basically used for command to take root privileges. Yum is also a package, yellow dog unified modifier, and -y we basically use to it will not prompt us to like enter a y. Simply it will install. Now I need to copy and paste this command, sudo yum config manager. It will add a repo. This repo docker ce.repo will be added. Adding repo. If I check ls etc yum.repos.d, see docker ce.repo is added. ls etc yum.repos.d is the command you can use to check the repo. These are the optional steps. I am skipping this. Simply now install Docker engine. Sudo yum install docker ce docker this. Clearing the screen. Type this no best parameter, no best argument. Append this in your command. Oh, 1 second. Okay, let me run that command only. It is asking no best. I misspelled it. There is no hyphen in between no and best. Simply hyphen hyphen no best. Press Y, enter, it will install. Again press Y, enter. It will take some time to install your Docker engine. So we are done. So it is installed. Let us check the Docker version. See, Docker version 19.03.12 is installed. Let us check the status. Systemctl status of your Docker. It is currently not running. Active, inactive. So system, let me first clear the screen. Systemctl start Docker. Now check the status. Systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is active, up and running. So this is how you can install Docker. And one more tip from my end, guys, like you can install Docker on your local system as well. If you are using Windows, simply go to the Docker website and click on the link and download that link, install using that link. Or if you don't want your Docker machine daemon to be on your local system, you can simply create a virtual machine and then install Docker on that, like I told in this video. And also one more thing you can do, you can simply create an image of this whole system and store that image in Docker registry or Docker hub or your Azure container registry, and simply when you need Docker, simply pull that image from that Docker hub and run a container using that image. In that way you will also, neither you want to install Docker on your system, neither you need to create a or maintain a virtual machine in Azure. Because if you are maintaining a virtual machine that is and that have installed Docker, so you might have to bear the cost also for that. So simply just install Docker once on your Azure virtual machine and then create an image, push that image to Docker hub, and whenever you need to work with Docker, simply pull that image and then run a container out of that image. So that is one of the convenient way and cost effective way to work with Docker. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, and please let me know if you are having any questions, any doubts. I will definitely reply in the comment section. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care, happy learning.